today's episode, RJ will show you how easy it is to convert any taper candle holder into a votive candle holder, adding more style to your home. This is RJ's Homestyle.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I have a small selection of taper candle holders in front of me. Here on my right, I have some candle holders from the Dollar Tree. I'm sure you can recognize them, along with some Dollar Tree candles. To my left, you Disney fans will probably recognize the official Disney Haunted Mansion candelabra. In it, I have my taper Luminara candles. And speaking of those, real quick, I want to tell you, those of you who are subscribed here, if you haven't already, you might want to hit that notification bell, because coming up in the next few weeks, I have a video coming that is going to show you a line of flameless candles that are much more budget friendly than Luminara candles ever thought to be. And in some cases, they do a little bit more. So you might want to definitely hit that notification bell to make sure you see that video. All right, but back to today. How many of you who have been here the longest remember last year when I created what I was calling my candelabra candelier? It was the hanging votive candle holder that I created. In that video, one of the techniques I'm going to use today, and it's actually so simple and so easy, I'm going to show you how it will let you take your taper-only candle holders that only hold taper candles, and convert them into holding a votive cup. And it is simply this. Take the lid from these treats that are typically found at the Dollar Tree, but they're also available in other stores. You're going to want to take the lid from this can. You're going to want to paint it the color of your choosing so that it fits in your style or whatever it is that you're creating. You're going to paint it, and then you're going to take it and you're going to attach a small piece of wooden dowel to the bottom of it. This actually is the threaded portion of a toilet plunger from the Dollar Tree. Works just as fine, but again, just a small piece of wooden dowel. Now, once you have created this, can you see where this is going? This becomes the platform to which you will then just insert inside your taper candle holder. From at that point, you add your votive cup, and as I like to say, you're good to go. That's all it is. You have now transformed any taper candle into a votive cup holder to where you can use votive cups. And the beauty of this is not permanent. You never will be destroying any of your taper candle holders. They'll always go back to being a taper candle holder because you're just creating an insert. It's that simple. And it works on any taper candle holder to where anything becomes transformed. I think it's genius, and I just love the fact that it's not permanent at all, and it's very, very easy to do. And if you think about it, as many taper candle holders that there are out there, and as many votive cup holders that are out there, you have pretty much an endless variety of styles that you can create in your home for everyday use, for seasonal use. Very, very easy. For more great information on how to style your home, check out these previous episodes shown here. Remember to like, comment, and share on these videos, and to make sure you see the next new episode, hit the subscription button and the notification bell, and you will be good to go. As always, bye for now.